Am I the only one that didn't know you could pull the sweetest, crunchiest carrots out of your garden right after winter? It's like a secret harvest, hiding just beneath the surface, waiting for you to discover it. While everyone else is waiting for spring veggies, you could be digging up a hidden stash of flavor-packed carrots that have been chilling underground, getting tastier by the day. The cold actually makes them sweeter. Overwintering carrots is the beginner-friendly garden hack you never knew you needed. No fancy tricks, just a little mulch and some patience. It's easier than you think. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to turn your garden into a year-round carrot goldmine. No green thumb required. Let's dig in and unlock the magic of winter carrots together. Want to grow the happiest carrots on the block? Timing is everything. Hold off until after Jack Frost pays his first visit, but don't wait so long that your carrots need an ice pick to escape the ground. For most of us, that sweet spot is late fall or early winter. Your zip code may vary, but why wait for the chill? Good question, because cold weather turns your carrots into sugar factories, making them extra sweet and snackable. And trust me, digging up carrots before the ground turns to concrete is way more fun. So, channel your inner weather detective and keep an eye on those forecasts. When the temps start flirting with freezing, it's go time. Harvest those carrots and tuck them in for their cozy winter slumber. Congratulations, carrot conqueror. You've pulled your orange treasures from the earth. Now it's time to tuck them in for their long winter snooze. Don't stress. This is the easy and oddly satisfying part. First, give those leafy tops a trim, leaving about an inch of stem. Think of it as a carrot haircut. This keeps the greens from stealing all the carrot's precious moisture. No one likes a shriveled carrot. Next up, give your carrots a quick once-over, like a beauty pageant for veggies. Any that are soft, cracked, or looking a little rough around the edges? Set those aside for immediate snacking. They won't last in storage, but they'll taste great right now. Give your carrots a gentle spa day, just a quick wash to get rid of any lingering dirt. And voila! Your carrots are clean, pampered, and ready to hibernate until you need them. Want to give your carrots the ultimate winter spa treatment? Just leave them right in the ground and snuggle them up under a thick, cozy blanket of mulch. Seriously, it doesn't get any easier or lazier than this. Even gardening newbies can pull it off and look like pros. Step 1. Pick a spot in your garden where the soil drains well. Think of it as choosing the best real estate for your carrot crew. Carrots are not fans of soggy feet, especially in winter. Waterlogged soil? That's a no-go for these orange beauties. Next, pile on the mulch. Don't be shy. Go for a generous 12 to 18 inches. Your carrots will thank you. Straw, leaves, wood chips? If it's natural and fluffy, it's fair game. Your carrots aren't picky, just grateful. That mulch? It's like a winter jacket for your soil, keeping things toasty and stopping your carrots from turning into veggie popsicles. Out of garden space? Or maybe your winters are so cold even polar bears are shivering? Don't worry, your carrots can still live their best life. Sure, leaving carrots in the ground is classic, but sometimes Mother Nature just isn't on your side. Luckily, there are plenty of clever ways to keep your carrots crisp and delicious all winter long. First up, the root cellar, nature's original refrigerator. These cool, humid hideouts have been keeping veggies happy for centuries. With steady temps and just the right amount of moisture, your carrots will stay plump and tasty, not shriveled and sad. No root cellar? No problem. Your fridge's crisper drawer is basically a carrot spa. It's designed to keep things humid, so your carrots stay fresh and ready for snacking. Just pop those carrots into a perforated plastic bag. The holes let them breathe so they don't get soggy or shrivel up. It's like giving your carrots their own little penthouse suite, humidity control included. Want to keep carrots around even longer? Freeze them. Freezing locks in all that carroty goodness for months. Just chop or slice, give them a quick dip in boiling water. That's called blanching, fancy, right? Then freeze in airtight containers. Blanching keeps them bright, tasty, and ready for your next soup or stir-fry. No matter which method you pick, remember, carrots love it cool, dark, and a little bit moist. Think of it as their dream vacation spot. Treat them right, and your carrots will stay sweet and crunchy for months. With these tricks, you'll be munching on garden-fresh carrots all winter, and your hard work won't go to waste. Spring is finally peeking around the corner, and guess what? Your carrots are about to get their wake-up call. It's time to rouse those sleepy carrots from their winter nap and see what's been happening underground. If you tuck them in with a cozy mulch blanket, gently peel it back. Think of it as pulling off their carrot pajamas, and check on their progress. For those carrots chilling in a root cellar or fridge, give them a regular checkup and toss any that look like they've partied a little too hard. When you're ready for a taste of garden magic, just dig up your carrots, give them a good wash, and treat them like the fresh superstars they are. Get ready to be wowed by their sweet, earthy flavor. Overwintered carrots are proof that patience and a little mulch pays off deliciously. Congratulations, your patience has paid off. Overwintered carrots are not just tasty, they're practically nature's candy. And talk about versatility. These orange wonders can jazz up just about any dish you can dream of. Roast them with herbs and spices for a side dish so good, it might just steal the spotlight from your main course. Toss them into soups, stews, or stir-fries for a pop of color, flavor, and a secret boost of nutrition. Or keep it simple. Crunch them raw with your favorite dip for a snack that's as refreshing as it is guilt-free. But the real treat? Savoring the sweet, crunchy rewards of your hard work, even when it's snowing outside. Who knew winter could taste this good? Overwintering carrots is usually a breeze, but sometimes things go a bit sideways. Here are some common hiccups and how to fix them. Whether you're a green-thumbed guru or just starting out, these tips will help you nail that perfect spring harvest. Got mushy or rotten carrots? Don't worry, you're not alone. This happens to the best of us. Usually this means your soil was too soggy or the temperature was doing the cha-cha. Too much water can turn your carrots into mush, and temperature swings can stress them out. Make sure your soil drains like a champ and throw on a thick mulch blanket. Mulch keeps things cozy and stable, which is exactly what your carrots need. Critters munching on your carrots? Annoying, right? But don't fret, there are ways to outsmart them. Arm your garden with hardware cloth or chicken wire. It's like a fortress for your carrots, keeping those pesky critters at bay. Carrots turning woody or dry. That's a sign they weren't stored properly. This usually means they were stored too long or in a too dry spot. Carrots need a bit of humidity to stay fresh and snappy. Check on your stored carrots now and then, and give them a little mist if they look parched. This keeps them happy and hydrated. Don't get bummed if your first overwintering attempt isn't perfect. Gardening is all about learning and growing. Stick with it, and soon you'll be a carrot overwintering pro, ready to enjoy a bumper crop. Ready to become a carrot overwintering wizard? It's easier than you think. And trust me, your taste buds will thank you when you're munching on sweet homegrown carrots while everyone else is stuck with store-bought veggies in the dead of winter. Here's the not-so-secret ingredient: a dash of love, a sprinkle of patience, and, let's be honest, a pep talk for those carrots that just refuse to cooperate. Plants need encouragement too. So grab your gloves, channel your inner garden superhero, and dive hands first into that soil. Got a weird garden hack or a tip that makes your carrots do the cha-cha? Drop it in the comments or tag us with #Rhokins Homestead. Let's make gardening go viral. If you cracked a smile or learned a thing or two, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because this garden party is just heating up. Thanks for hanging out at Rhokins Homestead, where the veggies are fresh, the jokes are corny, and the gardening never stops. Let's dig deep, grow wild, and laugh along the way. Happy gardening, you legends!